In this video, let us see how to create the GIF from video using Python. I have already made a video about how to create a GIF from sequence of images, but this video is about how to create the GIF from video using Python. Here you can see this is the sample video that I have taken for this tutorial. What I will do is first let me create the Python script now. So inside this Python script, let me run all the code there. So for this project to work properly, we need to install an external library. So for that, open up your command prompt and type pip install MoviePy. Here, if you install the latest version of the MoviePy, you will get an error. You will have to install the specific version. The version number is 1.0.3. So this is the version that you will have to install to avoid that input error. So you consider requirement already satisfied. What I will do is I will minimize the terminal and let me import the library that I have installed now. From MoviePy.editor, what I will import is the video file clip. So then we need to define the clip. So clip equal to, so we have the video file clip, right? And inside is what we need to pass is we need to pass the input file. Here, since you consider on the left hand side, my video is there in the same location. So I will pass this relative path only. Consider this is my file. Let me pass that file over there. This is the same file that I have as the Python file location. So once we have the clip, right, then we can define all the options that we need. So GIF equal to, we can define our customs options. So what I will do is I will open up a tuple and inside this I will type clip dot. Then you can pass all the parameters that you want. So dot subclip. Here let me type subclip. So inside this you need to pass the start time and the end time. So let me go to the video and to select what start time and end time will be. You consider whatever time you selected, make sure you convert those minutes into seconds, because the video file clip will only take in the seconds only. So you will have to make sure that you pass in seconds. So here what I will do is I will take from 19 to 25. Here you can see this is the video at seconds 19. So I will go up to the seconds 25. So this is the sample clip that I will try to convert it to 0 subclip. So I will pass 19 up to 25. Then you can also remove the audio as well if you don't want the audio. So dot without audio. Then you can also resize. You can change the height as well. So dot resize. So what I will do is I will provide the height equal to 360. Then you can also say speed up. If you want to speed up, you can also do that. So with speed underscore scale, I'm going to speed up to 1.5 times. So this is the GIF options that I have provided. Then you can write off. So the GIF.write GIF. So inside this you need to pass the output file name. So this is my output file name. Then you can also provide the FPF, that is frames per second. So in this case I will select 15 frames per second. Then I will simply print a message after all the code. So I'm gonna print done. So let me run the Python script now. So Python main.py. So we got a error like subclip. So actually the syntax has changed writing. So this is subclip only. And let me run the Python script again. I think recently the lot of syntax has been changed. You can see here this is only speedx, I think. So let me change that to speedx only. Here you can see that it starts creating our GIF file from the video that we have provided as input, and you can say it has successfully done it, and we got the GIF file here as well. So we have successfully created the GIF file from video using Python. So what I will do is let me open this in File Explorer. So I will open the GIF file from another software. So let me open this here. You consider this. So this is how you convert a GIF from video using Python. So this is for this video, and I will continue in the next one.